Hey guys, I'm Deepankar back with another video. Today I got something important for all the parents out there. Smartphone is the new playground of kids where they spend hours watching content, playing games and browsing the web. But internet is full of inappropriate content. For parents, it's more important than ever to be proactive in managing your child's digital world. With parental controls, we can strike a balance between granting independence and ensuring a safe online experience. Think of parental controls as a digital fence that can keep your kids safe from harmful content and giving you a peace of mind. In today's video, I will show you how to set up parental controls in iPhone. I will cover everything from limiting screen time to blocking inappropriate content so you can relax knowing your kids are exploring the digital world safely. You don't need any third-party app for parental control in iPhone. Screen time is your control center. Open Settings app on your child's iPhone and head to Screen Time. This section provides a detailed data on what apps your kid mostly uses on the phone. Screen Time also provides several settings for adding restrictions to apps and content. Let me explain all options one by one. App limit is one of the best features. You can set daily time limit for different apps. The app locks itself when time runs out. You can also customize limits for different days, so you know your kid is not using any app excessively. Now go to Content and Privacy Restrictions and enable it. Here you get several ways to control content and app usage on the phone. You should limit app installation and unwanted app purchases. Go to iTunes and App Store purchases. Here you can select if you want to allow app installation, app deletion and in-app purchase. You should also set always require password for in-app purchase. Music, movies and games. They all have age ratings for a reason. Control what your child sees on the phone. Go to content restrictions and choose the type of content you want to allow on different apps. Select the appropriate age rating depending on the age of your kid. Internet has all kinds of content, so blocking inappropriate websites is recommended. Go to web content and choose to limit adult websites. You can also create a whitelist of allowed websites only. I also recommend to disable explicit language for Siri and stop it from using bad words. If your child also plays games on the phone, make sure he is safe while gaming. So check the options under Game Center section. Here you can control everything from multiplayer gaming to adding friends. Select what works best for your kid. That's it. Now you know how to set up parental controls on the iPhone. By using it properly, you can create a safe and controlled iPhone experience for your child. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips and hit the notification bell. Thanks for joining today. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.